Sawadee Konka. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm reacting to Tilly Bird's Same Page. 83 million views. I mean, wow. I have no idea what to expect. Subtitles, as always, are off. We are using basic translation skills and basic translation skills only on this channel. Let us start. Coronavirus. You're not allowed to do that. You can't gather in public places. Well, not public places. Groups. Well, in my country anyway. We're not allowed to meet with our friends and family indoors. Why do I feel like I've heard this? I'm gonna carry on. Was it Kid You Took One? Ooh, Kid Took. Okay, think every day. Okay, I see you. Kid You Took One. I see you. ฉันมองคุณ Kid Tung I've definitely heard this somewhere. Maybe it's just on my playlist. I've definitely heard this somewhere. Kid Tung, as in to like miss. Kid Tung Kid Tung. So he's thinking he's missing her. Kwam Kid Tung, that's interesting because Kwam Kid is idea, and I know that Kwam modifies the word. So Kwam Kid Tung, I wonder what that is. Miss, if Kid Tung is miss, Kwam Kid Tung. Interesting. I'ma Google it because I'm interested to know what Kwam Kid Tung means.
Nostalgia.
Aww. พวกเขาน่ารักนะคะ ส่งไปไม่ค่อยถึง So someone's gone somewhere. Can't remember something. I love the chorus. What? I'm not lying. At the moment, I'm just vibing. Okay? When I just vibe, my whole brain is like, and we dance. That's all I've got at the moment. Ooh, 7 minutes in heaven. But I suppose 7 minutes in hell depending on who you're trapped with. Am I right? Aww. All their old pictures and stuff. So are they together or not? So I'm just reading the actual name of the song in Thai, and it's Kid, and then in brackets, They're My Tung. So it's basically saying, thinking, but we're not. So I'm guessing the same page that. Oh, เข้าใจ ฉันเข้าใจค่ะ. So he wants to be together, but they're not, and he's got all the nostalgia of when they were like best buds at school, and he's like, babes, I want you to be my babes. Okay, I think I get this now. Tongue, kid. Oh. They're crying. I'm trying to enjoy the moment, but all I can think is I want to know where she got that jacket from. The colours, I love it, it's popping. Drop the link, girl, drop the link. Dio. You. Doni Chan card say naka. My emotions have been played with. I thought that they were together. I then thought they were going to get together. I then thought they were going to get back together. But now I believe they were never together, and he just wished they were together. I have definitely heard that song before. I clearly just didn't know the name of the song, and I can't tell if that's because it's on maybe my Thai playlist or it's from a show that I watch. I can't tell, but I love it so much. I love that chorus. My interpretation of the song is that he loves her and they went to school together and he loves her a lot. He's got a lot of love for her. He's kept all of the pictures, the post-it notes, all of the nostalgia's there. She just doesn't feel the same way. She's like,
friend, there's the zone. Please get back inside from where you tried to escape.
Hopefully that's not the case and I'm misinterpreting it. So let me know down below what the actual interpretation of this song is, please. I would love to know. If there's any songs you'd love to see me react to, drop them down below and I will be sure to react to them. As that brings us to the end, smash the subscribe, the like, the share. Tell your friends, tell your family. But more importantly, have a blessed day. And until next time, Sawadee Tuk Kong Ka. Goodbye everyone.